Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the emoji keyboard is available and the system is ready. Check iOS updates and free up a little storage if needed, because updates can affect keyboards. Then open Settings, go to General, Keyboards, and look for Emoji. If it's missing, tap Add New Keyboard and choose Emoji. Once added, switch to your messaging app and test the globe or smile icon to bring up emojis. This gets us into the repair flow immediately. Now focus on app level and input conflicts that block emoji. Force close the app showing the issue and reopen. This clears temporary glitches. If emojis still fail, go to Settings, General Reset, and choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. You can also toggle Predictive Off and On to refresh input behavior. Make sure iCloud Keyboard Sync is consistent. Sign out and sign back in if emojis differ between devices. Once done, retest typing to confirm emojis load correctly. Finish by applying system-level fixes. Update to the latest iOS and reinstall the app that won't show emojis, because corrupted app data often causes display errors. If problems persist, restore your device from a recent backup to recover working settings without a full erase. Make sure to back up first. Troubleshooting tip: if emoji input still fails, reset network settings and reboot. This can clear obscure sync or keyboard server issues and often resolve stubborn emoji visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.